Broadriver Plumbing offers advanced water leak repairs in South Carolina. Have you noticed water leakage in your home? Or maybe it's your first time, and you are wondering whether to put a bucket under it to save water. Most people save leaking water to use it later in watering plants or flushing the toilet. However, any small water leaks in your home can result in higher bills unless repaired immediately. Broadriver Plumbing offers advanced water leak repairs in South Carolina. We provide prompt and quality repairs to all sources of water leaks in your home. Call Broadriver Plumbing 843-271-6336. Visit us online www.broadriverplumbing.com. If you have any issues caused by water leaks, hiring a skilled plumber will help you repair the problem. A professional plumber water leak repairs in South Carolina will detect the source of the leak and the best approach to curb the problem without causing further damage. Broadriver Plumbing offers reliable services when it comes to water leak repairs and are prompt in response. Call Broadriver Plumbing 843-271-6336.